Hey everybody, it's Sammy with Digivangelism. Today we have a special video for you because I'm going to set up this these Govee RGBIC lights to make my office look much more snazzy than it is now. And I'm very excited to set them up. Our office at home, my husband and I have a small office, a small apartment, and so anything we can do to make our office feel like more enjoyable. So I'm gonna set these up. I have no idea what it's gonna look like, but it's gonna be fun. Let's go. Step 1, open the box. It comes with a user manual. I will probably need that. Not waterproof. Do not allow children to install the lights. Great. Yep, I have no idea what I'm doing. Ooh, quick start guide. That sounds right up my alley. So this tells me what is supposed to be in the box. Assemble the segments with desired layout on a flat surface. Okay, so I gotta unwrap these. So these are apparently snapped together. So you really have to snap both sides in. When you snap both sides in, you'll kind of feel it get smooth here because they're officially linked together. Let's see if these go together any smoother. Double click, looking great. One corner piece. Okay, on the cover there are like 3 corners. It looks like I have 4. Okay, I'm rethinking my shape plan now. Okay, this one says 4. So, I must have some kind of kit. So now I've got options. Got it. Alright, so I have the general outline here. I'm gonna actually add these little feet on the bottom just to like bring it all together. Alright, step 1, assemble the segments with desired layout on a flat surface. Done. Step 2, connect the input to the end segment corner piece, then connect the control box to the power adapter. Power on to check each segment is working. Next, power off, disassemble the segments and connect the control box. What? So after looking at it, I'm not sure that I'm actually feeling the half rectangle I was gonna do over the computer. The thing is, with the size of these lights, it's just the size of my computer like that, and I think I almost need an extra one of these in the middle to make it feel like it's really outlining the computer. So I'm gonna try something else and see if I like it better. Like, how do we feel about that? What? Is that one broken? Okay, that looked really cool, but this one wasn't lighting up. Okay, I really think it's insecure this time, so if it's not lighting up, it might be broken. It lit up, right? Yes! Okay, so it just wasn't connected. Can you see this? I like just like the idea of just like continual gain, continual growth. Like that's me. This is pretty long, this cord. No problem getting it to an outlet right next to it or even under the desk pretty far. If you want to know more about this desk build, I have a video of the whole office tour and we'll be sure to link that above somewhere. I think we're ready to start like taping, but first gotta unplug it. Somehow I need to get up there and start putting them together on the wall. Once I have one up, I can let go. Okay, so I'm feeling pretty good that that's fairly level, so now I have to push each piece down for 30 seconds. So let's do the first one so that it's in place, and then I'll bring you closer for the others. So next is the corner. Comes apart very easily. Oh, I guess these don't have sticky stuff on them, it's just the bars. So you just kind of peel that off, peel that off. I'm not even gonna push down on that one until I see it all up there. Some of these are tricky to get in. You have to hear 2 clicks to know that it's actually connected. Okay, last one. 2 clicks. That's the last one. And like I said, this does have some tape here, so you could tape it to underneath your desk. Whoa. So it's up, it's connected, and it's working, and I love it. That's so cool. But one of the best parts about Govee is that you can actually control the light color from your phone. It connects to your phone, it's all through Wi-Fi, and it actually will connect to music, which I think is really fun too. So let's see if I can set that up. So for pairing instructions, it says to download the Govee Home app from the Apple Store if you have iOS, and open the app and tap plus and search for H6062. Let's do that now. So I'm going to Govee Home. I am gonna hit get. I think that's it. Install. Done. Open. Govee Home. Yes, you can use Bluetooth. With Siri. Sure. Send me notifications. Yeah, I would like to know if my house is burning down. I don't think that's what it tells you. Look at that. Look at all those Govee things. Wow. I love that. Okay, not getting distracted. Wow. A little distracted. Accept. Welcome to Govee Home. Plus. H6062. Govee Glide Wall Light. Okay, so I just set up an account with Govee. My Govee Glide Wall Light is connected. Well, I don't know if it's connected yet, but I'm about to connect it. Here we go. Connecting. Is it gonna find him? Can I name it? Oh, cool. So I'm getting a message that says this device only supports a 2.4G Wi-Fi band. Continue to connect, and I hit yeah, sure. And it's not connecting. So I wasn't able to connect this to our Wi-Fi because I guess we have a 5G HZ and this needs a 2.4G HZ. I don't know, but one of the options said skip, so I clicked it and it said you won't be able to do XYZ, and I was like, okay. And it sent me to this screen, and so as you can see behind me, it has changed to green. That's because I was like, I don't know if any of this is gonna work now, so I clicked the green. Let's click purple. Let's give it a Digi vibe. Oh my god. What? That's so fun. Oh my goodness. I'm so psyched. Okay, so I guess it's connecting, or it's working. And I can dim the brightness. Oh, I turned the brightness really low. Let's turn it. Oh, that's so cool. So just like a low grade light, and then we can like make it really pop. We're gonna have to look at this at night. I'm gonna add another video. Scene, we can pick a scene. We can pick the ocean. Does it like change? Let's bring you a little closer. Sunset glow. This is gonna look so good at night. Aura. What? Oh, that's so fun. Look at that. Look at it go. Meteor. Oh! I don't know when I would use that, but I love that I can use it if I want. Oh, this one looks fun. Desert. Ooh, I like desert. Fight. Oh my gosh. Movie. Andy. Emotions. We can put optimistic, breathe. I'm not even letting it have enough time to change at this point. I'm just energetic, dance party, quiet. Okay, as you can see, there are a lot of options. Christmas, Halloween. I need more of these lights immediately to cover our entire apartment. Oh, music. All right, let's do this last one. Music sync from device. Oh. Okay, it will also be able to hear. Oh my gosh, it is going to my voice. This is amazing. Hey friends, I figured I'd just end this video on my phone since I ran out of space on my camera and I was freaking out for a while after that. I've got desert mode on right now because I'm itching to go to the desert. I am in love with these lights. I will give you a full review, you know, once I get used to them and have some things to say about the app. Obviously I just set it up, so I can't speak to it a lot other than the setup was pretty easy. I don't know why one of the things said I would only have one corner because I had 4. The wires are great. The app is like already blowing my mind, and it, you know, started working right away. So I'm in love with these and would highly recommend them. If you're interested, we'll drop our affiliate link for them in the description below. If you have any specific questions, please comment them below and I will be sure to answer them in a review or just comment back. I'm Sammy with Digivangelism. Thanks for watching. Peace.